jalapeno candied bacon on the Kamado Joe, a sweet heat treat. Stick around, we're gonna get right into it. Let's get into the steps on making this candied jalapeno bacon appetizer. It's gonna be so delicious. Now, Tone from his channel on Instagram has made this famous, and I thought, I've never done this exactly like this, but I have done brown sugar bacon, and that is delicious. I've done some twists before, but I've never done the jalapeno version. Add some hot honey, but we're gonna make it Bartlow's barbecue with our rub. So want to give credit where credit's due. So that's what we're gonna try out today on the Kamado Joe, setting that temperature up to 400 degrees, I believe, letting this go for 10 minutes. So all you need is regular thick cut or thin cut bacon. So this is just the classic cut. So apologize, not the thick cut, not the center cut, but just the regular one. Put on a sheet like this so it gets some proper airflow, and we'll cook. Then what we did is we have some brown sugar, sweet red dirt is in here as well, brown sugar separately. We got some jalapenos, the peppers to cut that we've already sliced. And then we got some Mike's hot honey to give it the extra kick. And if you watch the channel, you know I don't do heat that well. So I'm hoping this, the sweetness and the heat, it's just a sweet heat, and it's gonna be complimentary. We're gonna find out. Stay at the end of the video, see how much I sweat. I'm already sweating smelling the peppers. And Caleb behind the camera knows I might have a condition. I don't know what the condition is, but it's a hot condition. Anything, I'm already sweating thinking about it. Woo! All right, so let's get into this. We've already got the bacon here. And so the first step is we're gonna sprinkle some sweet red dirt. I'm gonna do this a little bit over so my wife doesn't get terribly upset. I'm gonna do this over the sink here. And we're just gonna do a light coating over the bacon. This has my rub sweet red dirt is great for chicken, beef, pork. It's got salt, pepper, garlic, paprika in it. It's got brown sugar. It's got some chili powder as well, and a few other things. So it's already got some brown sugar in it, but it's a sweet heat all-purpose seasoning. So I find that to be really good. So then the next step is we're gonna go ahead and layer this with some hot honey after we do some brown sugar. I'm actually do some brown sugar as well, and then layer it with, and again, I already have some brown sugar built into my rub, so I'm not gonna do terribly too much. We're gonna have some clunks here, and that's fine because I already feel confident of what I already have in my rub I already have. So we'll do this real quick. Again, we don't need to go too heavy on the brown sugar. Again, you're going light, and then knowing that my rub already has some as well. And then we're just gonna top it off with some hot honey just down the middle here, just a strip like this, because as it renders, this will kind of spread out, give us a nice looking kind of glaze to it. So that's why we're doing that, because it takes about, at higher temperatures, it should take a shorter amount of time. So that is the theory here. This looks good. It smells good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And then all we gotta do is just take, and when I cut the jalapenos, you could do big cuts, you could do small cuts. So we'll have a few things, just kind of a few different cuts on each bacon. You want to go as thin as you can to kind of give it that candied look if you don't like all the seeds, so you can take that out as well, but I didn't get too crazy or religious about that. Even if I get a half one on this third one, that's okay with me. Kind of doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical, but those of you that are neat freaks are going to be like, oh, it's not symmetrical. It's all good. It's part of the fun of having making your own stuff, kind of make it your own. I don't need all the hot seeds, so I'm gonna just be mindful of that. And I think this will render and make sure to get a thinner one here. Get the seeds out on this. And then now we're ready to go to the smoker. Here we go. Oh, I smell it. It looks good. I think it's gonna taste good. I'll see you out on the grill, and we'll see you back and see how it tastes like. We got the Kamado at 400 degrees. We are going to let this ride for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's rendered. Then we'll bring you back, do a taste test, see how we did. Guys, it's been 10 minutes on the dime. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That is awesome. Let's take these off, do a taste test, tell you what our final thoughts are, any recommendations we might make for a tweak. We'll see you in a second. We have finished up this baking. It took literally 10, maybe 11 minutes total at 400 degrees. I told you it'd be quick. This looks to die for. We got one little jalapeno that's missing there, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this other glove off to make it a little easier to grab. We're gonna do a taste test here. Caleb, which one looks good to you? What are you eyeing?
Where's the least amount of jalapenos?
Yeah. There you go, my friend.
Right. Ooh.
Starting this side here. Oh. Oh gosh. The candy, before even getting the jalapeno, I got a half jalapeno.
Oh, that's good.
Woo, buddy.
It's spicy.
Woo. But that was good.
That's good.
Oh my gosh, guys, that was sweet heat. And because I've got a condition of hotness, heat, spice, I got a lot more heat in the mouth. I mean, literally, if I was like, fire feels like it's coming out of the mouth right now. I'm sweating beads, but do not let that fool you. It is delicious. It is a good balance of sweet heat because bacon's just awesome. That honey, the brown sugar, the rub. But man, if you're not a spicy person, just cut out jalapeno, make sure you don't have seeds in it, or even take out the centerpiece and just do that. And that's another way of reducing the heat. But man, I think this was a win. You could do this during the week to serve friends, make it as an appetizer, a tailgate idea. Or if you're just craving bacon, get yourself some candied jalapeno bacon. This is super fun. We're always looking for recipe ideas. Put in the comments some other recipe ideas we should do on the channel. And if you're finding value in this video and you're looking for other videos, check out their other videos on the channel. And from our backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.